Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn some basic English words with their Marathi meanings. So let us begin. The first word is hello. 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 Namaste. Thank you. THANKYOU. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Please. 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 Krupaya. Yes. 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 Ho. No. 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 Nahi. Good. 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 चांगले. Bad. 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 White. Water. 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 Pani. Food. 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 Anna. Day. 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 Divas. Night. 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 Ratra. Want. 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 पाहिजे. Come. 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 येणे. Big. 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 मोठे. Money. 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 पैसे. So friends, read these words again and write in your notebook neatly and learn. Thank you.